Okay, so here we have a new game on. So we're changing boards. We're going with water. You're white. I'm black. And who just pick one. For whatever. We're playing queens today. Yesterday we had towers. So I think it adds to symbolism if you play a different chess piece. Like maybe tomorrow it will pawn. And it will be milder. The invocation effect. So let's get you first. Obviously, I'm just gonna pick one for you. Why you gonna say? Oh, you want to be justice? Ooh, that's original. Justice, justice. Okay. Oh, well, you know what? I'm gonna play next to you the devil. Yeah. Oh, why not? I mean, I know I killed him anyway, and there was a lot of misconception. Yeah. So then at least we are, racing both towards on one side the world, on one side justice. You know what? If we start on those and we play three, good. Then you know what? The devil is gonna go through disregarding completely original rules, but that's what we're here for. Justice, path, chariots, path, and emperor. Thank you very much. Haha. What are you gonna do about it, huh? Yeah, I played twice in a row. Sorry. Oof. Sorry. Uh, right. Okay. So sorry, it was your turn. I was a bit over enthusiastic. Phew, okay. There you go. Where are you going to? What do you want? What do you want? You want to take a car again? Chariot, yeah? Okay, let's hope it doesn't lead you to death this time. Oh, it leads you to Emperor. Okay, so we're both Emperors. Yeah? Yeah, because I wanted to go to Emperor as well. What did I do to get to Emperor earlier? Shit, I can't remember. Now I can't get to Emperor. Mm. All right, okay, you know what? Fine, I will retreat. I will play World and Hermit. Yeah. Yeah, the youth again. Yeah, I love my youth. Come on. Why do they make them soft like this then? Anyway, you're Emperor and I'm a hermit. And I think it's quite fitting. It's maybe you like it as an emperor with the authority and shit, but I'm really enjoying my life as a hermit. You have no idea. Oh man, I've never been so at peace since I don't talk to anybody anymore, but just mumble over here and do weird shit on YouTube. So no, that's fine. And plus I got the gerbils on. Oof. Yeah, stuff that really was not expecting. So yeah, no, Hermit is fine for me. I think it's an ex aequo for this round. What do you think? Because what letters do you have here? Okay, so breathing better. Sign R, yes, yeah. To me, that's a bow and arrow right here, and sort of tear, but pointing downwards. So be careful. Be careful because there is a lot of energy that's pulling you down at the moment, according to what I see here. That's it. And for me, what do I get with the hermit? Ah, well, I get my little youth. Squishy, 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 youth. Yeah, I love it. And also, this looks like a congregation, people sitting around a huge table. And, well, why not, because I'm a hermit, I don't care, I'm not with them. This looks vaguely like a Dalet, but it's not a Dalet. And, what this to me is communication, so quite good. I mean, communicating outwards without seeing anybody, that's pretty much accurate for me. Yeah, so yeah, let's call it a draw for first round. Yep, thank you for playing.